Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting to talk about small living room with fireplace. Decorating small living room with fire poses a unique challenges due to limited space. The goal is to craft a cozy and functional environment within these concentrate with space at a premium. It is crucial to carefully select furniture that optimize the area like multifunctional pieces such as optons with hidden storage. Arranging furniture strategically to create conversation zone is key, enhancing both comfort and functionality. Lighting plays a pivotal role with a mix or floor and table lamps illuminating the space. Choosing a natural color pattern add texture and making the fireplace the focal point contribute to a warm ambience. Personal touches like family photos and the inclusion of indoor plants bring a homely feel, making the small living room both inviting and practical. Clearing your space is key to making it feel bigger. Remove unnecessary items to create an open and airy atmosphere. Option for furniture that serve more than one purpose, such as items with secret storage perfect for tucking away blankets or magazine. Consider wall mounting shelf to save precious floor space while providing storage and a spot of showcase your favorite decor. These shelves not only keep things organized but also add a stylish touch to your living area. Embrace the simplicity of decluttering. Choose furniture with hidden storage and adorn your walls with practical yet decorative shelving to transform your small living room into a spacious and inviting haven. Arrange your furniture smartly to make chatting with friends and breezy. Firstly, choose smaller size furniture that fit your room just right. This ensure a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Next, get creative with the layout. Try placing your furniture at angle. This not only gives your room a trendy vibe but also opens up space, making it feel longer. Imagine a setting areas where everyone can comfortably face each others, promoting easily conversation and friendly atmosphere. So go ahead and experiment with arranging your furniture in a way that maximize the flow and openness of your small living room. Your friend thank you for it. Brighten up your small living room with clever lighting ideas. Start by layering your lighting. This means using different types of lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Imagine combining floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces strategically placed around the room. This mix not only brighten up dark corner but also adds warmth to your space. Mirror play a key role too. The reflect light making the room feel longer than it is. Consider placing a mirror option, a window to bounce natural light around. This simple trick not only brightens up your space but also gives it a more open and inviting feel. So light it up and make your small living room feel like a welcoming haven. Create a bright and open vibe in your small living room by choosing natural colors for your wall and larger furniture. These soft tones like whites or light grays make the room feel more spacious too and add experiments and personality. Introduce pops of color with accent pillows or throw on your sofa and chair. These small touches bring life to the room without overwhelming the space. Enhance the cozy atmosphere by incorporating texture like plush, rug, and curtains. Soft fabrics create a warm and inviting ambience while adding visual interest. So go for natural backgrounds Sprinkle in some lovely colors with accessories and wave in texture for a snug and stylish small living room that everyone can enjoy. In your small living room, let's make that fireplace the star. Center your furniture around it to create a snug and inviting vibe. Picture yourself curled up with a book or enjoying a movie night with the warm glow. To add flair, consider stylish mental display or eye-catching artwork above the fireplace. These touches not only enhance the visual appeal but also give your spare a personal touches. It is like bringing a little bit of your personality into the heart of your home. So get creative arranging your furniture for that cozy feel and let your fireplace become the charming focal point that ties your whole living rooms together. Create a cozy heaven in your small living room with these simple tips. Personalize your space by adding crashed family photos or artwork to evoke warmth and memories. Bring the outdoors inside by introducing indoor plants, nature touches, and can transform the ambience. Strike a harmonious balance in your decor. Avoid overcrowding by carefully selecting furniture and decor pieces. Ensure each element complements the room's size, preventing it from feeling charmed. These easy adjustments can make your small living room feel inviting and uniquely yours. So, unleash your creativity and add a splash of greenery and stick the right balance for a sun living space that reflects your personality style. Thank you for turning into our small living rooms idea with a fireplace. We hope these simple tips have inspired you to transform your cozy space. Remember to declutter and choose furniture visually to maximize your room's potential. Create inviting conversation zone by arranging furniture thoughtfully and enhance the ambience with layered lighting. Ambience are natural color pattern add to pops of color, thought, accessories, and texture. Make your fireplace the heart of the room by arranging furniture around it for a snug feel. Add personal touches like family photos and indoor plants to infuse warmth. If you enjoy these ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips.